centerpieces, floating candles. Please pay attention to the items we're gonna use. The pearls, they are quite big actually. They are 2 centimeters diameter, and for this kind of vases, it gives that we are using actually 2 sizes, 2 centimeters diameter and 3 centimeters diameter. We are using the bigger ones beads with the water balls that we left in the water for 8 hours. I don't want to mention the sizes of the water beads because they are too many, and depends what the size you are buying in the area where you live. So now please pay attention the way I do it. I set the beads in the vase first, and then I start after with the pearls. And I don't put too many, I just put few because I wanted to give that glamour, and you will see the way it's gonna turn out after. And you have to be very gentle, of course, for you don't damage the vase. Please follow the step by step. If you're necessary to stop the video and do side by side or slowly, it's up to you. I hope you like the ideas or the suggestions I just said here in this video. If you have any comments, any questions, please do. I'll be able to answer with all my pleasure. Thank you. Now the magic begins with the water. All the water beads become invisible, and that is the look. On the vase to be more separate for each other.